Our nervous system. The nervous system controls all the functions of our body, such as breathing, walking, playing, eating food, remembering names and lessons, drawing and talking. The brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves comprise the nervous system. The brain is like the central computer which controls all the functions of the body. It is protected by a hard skull. An adult human brain weighs about 1.4 kg. It receives information from different parts of the body and sends it back to them. It tells the body parts how to react. Each part of the brain controls the opposite half of the body. So the left side controls the right side of the body, and the right side of the brain controls the left side of the body. The brain has three main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. Each part has its own work to do. The cerebrum is the largest part of our brain. It is dome-shaped and is covered with deep ridges and grooves. It controls our sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, and tongue, and helps us to speak, learn, think, and remember. It is also responsible for our feelings such as sadness, happiness, and fear. Cerebellum lies below the cerebrum. It coordinates with our muscles and helps us to stand straight, walk, and run properly and maintain correct posture. The medulla lies beneath the cerebellum. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. It controls our involuntary muscles responsible for actions such as breathing, digestion, blood circulation, coughing, and sneezing. It stays active even when we are asleep. The spinal cord is a long and thick bundle of nerves protected by the vertebrae. It extends from the base of the brain to almost the lower end of the backbone. Our body also has a vast network of nerves which carry messages back and forth between the brain and the rest of the body via the spinal cord. There are three kinds of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves, and mixed nerves. Both the sensory nerves and motor nerves carry messages in one direction. Sensory nerves tell the brain what is happening in the outside world. They carry messages from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord. Motor nerves carry orders from the brain or the spinal cord to the muscles or glands. When the brain receives a signal through the sensory nerves, it tells our muscles through motor nerves to contract or expand so we can move. Mixed nerves carry both messages and orders to and from the brain or the spinal cord. There are some actions that happen automatically without us thinking about them. For example, when our hand comes close to a hot iron, we immediately withdraw it. In such cases, there is not enough time for a message to reach the brain. So, as soon as the spinal cord receives the message, it sends the order directly to the hand and we withdraw it instantly. Such actions are called reflex actions. They are controlled directly by the spinal cord.